Hey everybody, in this exercise I'm going to show you how to implement role-based access control using Windows Admin Center, and more importantly, how to restrict what a user can actually do on a server. What is Windows Admin Center? WAC is a web-based management console from Microsoft. It allows you to manage servers and Windows machines, start and stop services, manage storage, control applications, and add or remove system resources. Instead of using multiple MMC tools or remote desktop, everything is centralized in one web interface. So today we're doing two main things: installing Windows Admin Center and configuring role-based access control to restrict user permissions. The goal is to allow a user to view the server but not make changes. RBAC in Windows Admin Center works using PowerShell, just enough administration endpoints, temporary local administrator accounts, and predefined roles. When a restricted user connects, a temporary admin account is created. Permissions are limited based on role, and when they disconnect, that temporary account is removed. So this is controlled, secure, and temporary. Windows Admin Center includes three built-in roles: administrators, readers, and Hyper-V administrators. Today, we'll assign the reader role. So first, log into your Windows machine, download and install WAC. I've already downloaded it, so it's on my desktop. Navigate to the installation file, double-click Windows Admin Center, accept the terms, leave Microsoft Update as default, leave default port and gateway settings, click Install, approve UAC if prompted. Check Open Windows Admin Center and click Finish. Okay, the browser opens here and Windows Admin Center loads. If prompted for a certificate, select it and click OK. By default, my admin machine is already listed. Now we add the web server. Click the plus icon, so add. Select Windows Server, enter the server's name. Here I'll type web server. I'll choose use another account, username, administrator, and my password. Click add with credentials. Now web server is added and manageable through WAC. Now the important part, we're going to enable role-based access control so we can restrict user permissions. Click web server, go to settings, click role-based access control, click apply, and confirm restarting WinRM. You'll get a notification saying RBAC is being scheduled. Bear in mind this can take up to 10 minutes. After waiting, refresh the web server connection. Go back to settings, RBAC, and confirm status shows applied. Now RBAC is active. Now I'm going to restrict the user John. Go to local users and groups. Select the user, here I'm using John, and click manage membership. In the list, uncheck users, check Windows Admin Center readers, and click save. Now John has limited permissions. Now we're going to test it. Go back to the home page. Select web server, click manage as, and enter the username, here John, and the password, and click continue. Now the web server loads as web server limited access. That confirms RBAC is working. Now I'll try to do something John shouldn't be allowed to do. Go to storage, click disks and create VHD. I'll just enter the path, C test folder, name test, extension, I'll stay VHD, size 1 GB, typed fixed. and click submit. And you'll receive couldn't create the VHD. This operation was blocked by role-based access control settings. That proves RBAC is successfully restricting the user. As a security professional, this is critical because not every user should have admin rights. Least privilege reduces attack surface, RBAC prevents unauthorized changes, and temporary accounts reduce persistent risks. With WAC, you can centrally manage servers while tightly controlling what users can do. So today we installed Windows Admin Center, added a remote server, enabled role-based access control, assigned a user to the reader role, and verified restricted permissions. And we confirmed that RBAC successfully blocks unauthorized administrative actions. If you're studying for security, server management, or enterprise administration, this is a key concept: controlled access without removing visibility. That's it for this exercise. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm CyberEd, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.